Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Theta coin. As in my previous videos, I have been showing the different bullish setups of the Theta coin that was formed on the daily and on the 6-hour chart as well. For example, this was a chart that I posted almost 3 months ago. I would like to show you this chart on the trading view as well. This was that idea that was on 6-hour chart that the price action completed the bullish setup. That was the bullish shark pattern on this 6-hour chart, and I predicted that the price action will move up to this level from this potential reversal zone, and this was up to 216% bullish idea, the bullish potential idea. I'm just playing this chart because this was the 6-hour chart, therefore I need to play this chart several times, then you can watch the result. It entered in the potential reversal zone, moved above the potential reversal zone, and finally produced more than 295% bullish rally. In the meanwhile, the price action also completed this another bullish setup, and this is a complete article that I've shared on the TradingView. You can also visit my TradingView profile and read this complete article. And on the basis on the different signals, I just predicted that the price action can turn bullish from here, and this was the main reason that the price action was likely to complete the open alligator mouth on this daily chart, because you can see that this was the daily chart and these were the simple moving averages. I'm just playing this chart, and you can see that the price action has produced after this more than 230% bullish rally. Now, I would like to show you what the current situation is and what the price action can do, whether it will be moved down or it will be moved more up. Before continue with the technical analysis of the Theta coin, I would like to give you another reminder that I am building my team of Forsage, and if you want to have good income with even a small investment, then you can join my team, and here you can also earn as an active member and as passive member as well. But if you will work as an active member, then there will be more chances to earn faster and better. And this is completely 100% decentralized platform, therefore there are no chances of scam. If you want to learn anything about Forsage, how it works, then I've also shared my link of my video in the description. You can find there my review on Forsage. This is my referral, and this is my ID, and this is my email address. I've also shared all these details in the video's description, so you can find there. And make sure while you will be signing up using my referral, my ID should be displayed on the screen. And if you will have any problem or if you need any more information, you can contact me through email. I'll provide you the complete support. Now we are back on the chart, and I would like to take you to the live chart now after this more than 230% bullish move and 295% bullish move from my potential reversals on that I defined of this as per this bullish shark pattern. Now at this time on the daily chart, you can see that this is the daily time frame. The price action is moving in this up channel. For a while the price action broke down the support of the channel and entered in this channel again. And we can also observe that the price action has still the strong supports of the 25, 50, 100, and 200 simple moving averages, and they're working as an open alligator mouth just beneath this price action. And at this time, the price action is trying to break out this resistance of the channel. And if I place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this channel to predict whether the price action will break out the channel or it will break down the support, then we have the trader's interest up to this level. And this is a bit critical that we have the trader's interest below the support of the channel. So far, the interest of the traders is not strongly developed at this level. Therefore, there are chances as per this volume profile that the price action can move down up to this level. But if I place the moon phases indicator, that is very good tool to predict whether the price action will break down the support or break out the resistance of any pattern, then we can see that this is the full moon, and the new full moon is appeared at the resistance. And if I place the trend line, then we have the new full moon almost at the same level, a little bit up than the previous full moon. And if we watch the dark moons, for example, we had the dark moon here Then the new dark moon was appeared at this level. The next dark moon is appeared higher than the previous dark moon. Then the recent dark moon is appeared at this support of the channel, you can see, and this is very strong bullish signal and giving us a clear indication that it will be difficult for the price line to break down this support. But we also have this full moon at the resistance of the channel. So in order to have a breakout or clear signal of the breakout, we need this volume profile that show the traders interest above this resistance, and we also need this new full moon appeared above the resistance of the channel. Then there will be more chances that the price action will break out. Otherwise, there are chances that the price action will move again down at the support, and again it will be bounced from there. Now I'm going to take you to the 4-hour chart. This is the small time period 4-hour chart, and if I place the trend line here, then we can observe that the price action of Theta is having a very good uptrend on this 4-hour chart. You can see that we have several touches at this level, then we have several touches here, then we have a big jump, and again the price action moved at this support. So this is a very good midterm support. And if we watch here, the price action formed a head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hour chart. That was a bearish reversal signal. And here we also have a formation of head and shoulder pattern. But unless the price action don't break out this trend line, there will be less chances that the price action will reverse bearish and a bearish trend or trend to the downline will be started. For example, I'm just placing this head and shoulder tool here, and you can see that this is the left shoulder, then we have the head, then we have the formation of right shoulder, and the price action even broke down this neckline and moved all the way down to this trend line. Most of the people do the mistake here that whenever the price action is breaking down the neckline, they sell at that point. But if, in my point of view, and this is a very successful strategy, you can try it, that whenever you find a head and shoulder pattern during any uptrend at the top, you should find if there is any uptrend line. For example, if there is any uptrend line, then you should wait for that trend line after the formation. And even the price action has broken down the this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, you should wait for the trend line to be broken down, and after that you can take the next step, whether you want to sell it out or you want to hold for more. At this time I'm looking for two major signals. For example, on the 4-hour chart, I'm looking for this trend line to be broken down, and I'm looking at the 5 signals on the daily chart. One is the EMA 10, another one is the EMA 20, and the MACD, and the stochastic oscillator, and this momentum indicator as well. So first I will look at this trend line, if it will be broken down. Then we should see, in my point of view, this is my strategy, to take exit from the Theta coin at this time, because it's working very fine with these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 signals on these 2 time period charts. One is on the small time period chart, another one is on the daily chart. First of all, we need to understand whether this 10, the EMA 10, has formed a death cross or a bear cross with this EMA 21 or not. First, we need this bear cross or this death cross between these 2 moving averages. Then we should watch for this MACD indicator. That it should give the sell signal. For example, we receive the death cross between these 2 moving averages of the MACD indicator, and it should turn bearish, because at this time you can see that it is turning bearish. It was strong bullish, at this time it is big bullish. So this is a kind of giving signals that it is turning bearish. And we should also look at this stochastic indicator as well. It should turn bearish, but you can see there is no synchronization within all these indicators, because we did not receive any death cross between these 2 moving averages. The MACD is turning bearish here, but the moving averages of the MACD are still bullish, and we also received a bull cross between the moving averages of the stochastic indicator as well, because if the stochastic, this blue line, crosses down this red line, that is the sell signal, bearish signal. At this time, you can see that the blue line has crossed up this red line. So this is a bullish signal. And we also watch out for this momentum indicator to turn bearish. For example, here it was strong bullish. Here it is weak bullish. So it is turning bearish, but we are not having the synchronizations between all these indicators. For example, here we have the price line moving above this trend line, even though this head and shoulder pattern was formed here and here as well. And the price action is still moving above this EMA 10 and EMA 21. And the MACD is not completely turned bearish, and the stochastic is bullish at this time, even it is giving bull cross. And the momentum is not, at this time it is turning bearish, but it is not synchronized with all other bullish indicators. So we should watch all these combination of indicators. Our first signal is whether once the price action will break down this trend line, then that will be the first signal that we can have a downtrend now. But after that, we should also watch the signals on the daily chart as well. If the signals on the daily chart will be turned bearish, then we can take exit from the Theta coin. But at this time, in my point of view, the price action can move more up. You can see that it is using these EMA 21 and 10 very well as a support. At this time, you can see that several times it has retested these two EMAs and moved up. At this time, it is again retested these two EMAs, and it is likely to move up from here. So we can ready for the next bullish rally from here. So there can be another bullish rally as it is moving up, and the stochastic has also given another bullish signal. So I'm waiting for these two signals, the momentum and the MACD, to turn bullish. Then we can observe another bullish rally to the upside. So this is my strategy in Theta coin. If you want to take exit, you can have your own strategies, but this is my suggestion for you to watch out for these signals, and especially this trend line on the 4-hour chart very well. Once these signals will give you the sell signal, that you can take your decision to take exit from the Theta or not. So this was the update so far. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.